Hey, what's going on, guys? Today we have a unboxing. This is going to be the Venturi Avenger 2 Bullpup. Probably the best budget PCP rifle out right now. So I'm going to cut this open, show you what we got. This order is from Pyramid Air, by the way. Everything bought and paid for by me. So this isn't a sponsored video, nothing like that. Got the case. Pyramid mag. Picked up this case. And there is the order, in case you guys want to get any of this stuff from Pyramid. The Avenger 2 Bullpup. This is the scope I went with, the Hawk pellets. And there she is. They give you a nice little bit of parts here. Got a Allen wrench in there. A ton of different O-rings. 2 mags. Did get this in the 25 caliber. Guess we are gassed up. I did have them mount the scope and do the test and tune or one of their extra add-ons you can do when you check out. I just came in. I wanted to put it to work. Let's take a look at this. So first impressions, it's pretty light. Feels to be really good quality. It doesn't feel cheap. Doesn't feel like junk by any means. The action on the bolt is actually really smooth, and this is why I went with the 2, because now you have your action up front by your trigger and your grip. The old version had it way back here, which, you know, I didn't care for particularly. It wasn't for me. But the only thing I wish they did with this would be to let you upgrade to a bottle. I think that would be great. My next one I'm going to be purchasing is probably going to be the Humorex Zelos. But take it out tomorrow and put it to work. Here's the slots for the magazines. Thought that was a pretty cool feature. That's an 8-rounder with the 25 caliber. This is what I went with ammo. So I got the JSB Match Diablos. Got 33 grains. And these Hades Diablos, 26 grain. So we'll see if it likes light or heavy. Do some adjustments. And this is a quick unboxing. I'm going to do another video that's going to have the complete budget set up, which will include compressor, bunch of other things. I also got a Donnie moderator. the attachment you need, and I've got a few other things, so I'll put that in the next video. Hopefully you guys enjoy the quick unboxing. I'll do another video with the entire kit. Basically it's going to be budget kit under $1,000, everything you need.